All right, let's talk about 360-degree breathing. So typically when people are practicing their breathing exercises or they're practicing focused or intentional breathing, they're only breathing in and out from their belly, meaning they're only breathing out of their belly straight out and up, okay? So what you see here in a typical diaphragmatic breathing pattern is people are practicing and they're just going, watch my hands. Okay, and this is not terrible, but we can make it so much better by focusing on 360 degrees, okay? I want to be breathing not just out, I want to be breathing out to the sides and into my back as well. So I like to set up on the floor here. I'm going to get feedback from the floor in my back, and then I'm going to put my hands, I'm going to wrap them around so I have my fingers forward and then my thumbs around the side, and now I'm getting a lot of feedback. And you can actually feel, you have to do work here, you can actually feel what's happening. Are you only breathing into your right side? Are you only breathing into your left side? Are you only breathing into your right front? And what you're trying to do is feel what's happening and then change it. Try to get everything to expand 360 degrees at the same time. So I'm going to focus on breathing in through my nose and then out through my mouth like I'm blowing out of a straw, like pursed lips, like this. When you do that, you'll notice when you blow out through pursed lips, you get more contraction in your abs. So here's how it goes. In through the nose, out through the mouth. In through the nose, out through the mouth. And you'll notice it takes me longer to exhale than it does to inhale, which is not a bad thing. So as you're breathing in through your nose, really try to expand 360 degrees. When you're exhaling through from your mouth in that pursed lip fashion, you're trying to contract 360 degrees. So we're really just using this drill to bring more awareness to what's going on with your breathing patterns, and we're trying to make it more efficient, and also get everything working. So that entire core, right? Your abs, your obliques, your back, your pelvic floor, your diaphragm, it's all working together and not just one set of muscles taking over, okay? So that's 360 degrees, and you can work on feeling lower, middle, and higher to see what's happening. We're trying to avoid, common error, we're trying to avoid that chest breathing where you're just breathing into your chest. So if you notice yourself breathing up here and nothing's happening down here, you want to focus and direct your attention and effort into breathing down here, okay? So that's 360 degree breathing, and you can do this standing, you can do this sitting in a chair. I just find initially, if you're trying to be a little bit more conscious of it, starting in the position on your back is a little bit easier way to put more focus into it. So hope that helps. Give it a try. Let me know if you have any questions or need any help.